Esteemed Brother Justice Sri Narendra Kumar Jolly, Dr. Fatima Srivastava, and other family members, my esteemed sister and other judges, Sri Ramakrishna, President, Lord Association, Minister Sri S.P. Pandey, Deputy President of India, and Secretary of States, and members of the Office of the Ministry, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are assembled here to give a special farewell to Brother Justice Jolly, the Military Office, for attaining the age of graduation. It is an occasion to honor him, share words of goodwill and best wishes, and to highlight his contributions, achievements, and qualities. It is extremely difficult for me to compare the vibrant career and significant contribution to the administration of justice in a few words. Personal acquaintance with him, though, is very short, but is everlasting. This Jolly was born on October 20th, 1962 in Varanasi, in India, late Shri Shrimati Jolly and Shrimati Nandita. As a Jolly, after completing his primary education from the Mary's Convent School in Varanasi, completed his high school and intermediate education at Additional Intermediate College, Varanasi. He graduated with a Bachelor of Science and attained LLB degree both from the Postgraduate College of Varanasi. This is Jolly started his journey of legal career as the first admission lawyer in his family in the year 1985. His practice until May 2005, mainly in civil side at District Court in Varanasi. After clearing the UP HGS examination, he started his judicial career in 2005 as an additional district and session judge to the posting of District Court in Lahore. He was promoted with the district session in 2016 and served as a judge in Badau, Ghaziabad and Lucknow district, as well as chairman of the Commercial Tax Tribunal in Lucknow. During the entire career in judicial service, Mr. Jolly has always been known as a hardworking, sincere, and dedicated judicial officer whose competent efficacy and excellence in imparting justice, besides being a legal administrator, led to the elevation as an additional judge of this court in November 22, 2018, to both as permanent judge on November 20, 2020. During his tenure as the judge of this court, Mr. Jolly was acting in similar benches to dispose of a large number of civil and criminal cases involving varied nature of legal issues. The sound legal acumen with polite behavior is always been appreciated by the court. Mr. Jolly has delivered several important judgments which find place in law journals. The judgments are based on sound reasoning and detailed consideration. In a corpus petition by the Bureau of Revenue, challenge was made to the detention order passed under Section 3 of the National Security on the ground that the incident had occurred within the 4th quarter of the regulation clause. No rule of carrying weapons has been assigned to the detainee by the police. The detainee was arrested on 3rd of occurrence and the detainee had no criminal antecedents. Finding the detention order has been passed only on the basis of attention that in case the detainee refused to pay, he would again engage in criminal activities, execution to the maintenance of public order, and the order being in violation of Article 21 of the Constitution. This is already adequately discussed with the evidence of national security and Article 21 and 22 of the Constitution of India. And first the detention order, thereby upholding the rule of law and fundamental rights of the people. In another case, where the Commission of Section 3 of the 23, Section 22 IPC was challenged by the plan on the ground that child could have failed to appreciate the medical legal evidence that the injury sustained by deceased were on account of party blows during an occupation, and the appellant had no intention to kill the deceased, and there was no previous enmity between them. This is very meticulously dealt with the role of medical evidence in determining intent or knowledge, and observed that the injury is inflicted on the deceased by the accused by lateral blows that were previous and could cause death, but it was not their intention to kill the deceased. Came to the conclusion that the act of the accused was under the exception mandated in Section 4 of Section 3 IPC and is covered by Section 299 IPC. Commission of Finance was referred to Section 304 by 2nd IPC and Section 302 IPC. Apart from judicial work, the jury also rendered valuable assistance in administrative matters, the capacity of administrative judge within the state, and being a member of various committees. Wherever required, his views and suggestions were of great assistance. Justice Jury will always be remembered as a soft-spoken and sober judge. He has always been courteous and polite, treating every member of the bar, officer and staff of the court, be it senior or junior, all community alike. He has always shown fairness, respect, and dignity to everyone, whoever appeared in the court. Srimati Pratima Srivastava, member of Justice Jury, has always been a source of strength and expression for and is currently covering of the distinguished justice of law. He is the proud father of a son, Sri Jury, in the community working in UAE as a senior manager in an automation company, and a daughter, Archita Jury, who is the better manager working in Bengaluru for a US-based company. Mrs. Jury readily endeared himself all his companion judges and formed long-lasting relationship with all of us, and he prefers to live up to his secretary in the presence. On behalf of my sister and brother judges, members of the bar and myself, I give my best wishes to brother justice to the Jury, and also the very best of the new ventures that the life has in store for him in the future. May the next chapter of the life be more elegant, graceful, and bring you all the good things and happiness that you deserve together.
My lords, honorable justice, and other honorable judges of the dais, Sri Gurdeep Tripathi, Additional Advocate General Government of Uttar Pradesh, Sri S.P. Pandey, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Narendra Kumar Johari, Sri Manoj Kumar Dwivedi, General Secretary, other office bearers, and the members of the Governing Council of our Bar Association, designated senior advocates, and other senior advocates, members of the Bar Association, and the advocates present here, officers and members of the ministry, brothers and sisters. My Lord, in a short span of time, we have again assembled here to give farewell to another judge of this court, Honorable Mr. Narendra Kumar Johari. Honorable Judge Narendra Kumar Johari was born at Varanasi in 1962 and received his primary education from St. Mary Convent School, Varanasi. Thereafter, he completed his high school and intermediate both from Harishchandra Intermediate College, Varanasi. He graduated in science in the year 1981 and completed his LLB in the year 1985, both from Harishchandra Postgraduate College, Varanasi. Since 1985 till May 2005, Honorable Mr. Justice Narendra Kumar Johari practiced in District Court, Varanasi, mainly in civil side, as a first generation lawyer. Honorable Justice Mr. Narendra Kumar Johari joined the judicial service in the year 2005 and worked as Additional District and Session Judge, District Mau, Additional District and Session Judge, District Shahjahanpur, Additional Legal Representative Government of Uttar Pradesh, Additional District and Session Judge, District Bulandshahr, District and Session Judge, District Badaun, District and Session Judge, District Ghaziabad, and Chairman Commercial Tax Tribunal Lucknow, District and Session Judge at Lucknow. Accordingly, Honorable Justice Sri Narendra Kumar Johari served as a judicial officer from 2005 to 2015. He limited to the Allahabad High Court on 22nd of November 2018. Father of Honorable Justice Sri Narendra Kumar Johari, late Sri Shivnath Johari, was a businessman, and his mother, Mrs. Lalita Devi, is a housemaker. Wife of Honorable Narendra Kumar Johari is Mrs. Pratima Srivastava, who is presently serving as District and Session Judge now. Son Mr. Arpit Johari is a senior manager in multinational company working at United Arab Emirates. Daughter Archita Jowhari is a product designer working at Bengaluru in US-based company. We, on behalf of the Our Bar Association and legal fraternity, express our best wishes for peaceful retirement with sound health and vigor. My lords, before parting, I must say that with the demitting of the office by His Lordship Shri Narendra Kumar Jowhari from Kumaro, we have now one less court to appear. The elevation part, being the last priority of a democratically elected government, is a matter of concern for the Bar Association. But this is a truth. And from now onwards, we have one more decreasing number of honorable judge in our project district. Further, for His Lordship, I must quote a line from famous book, She Stoops to Conquer, written by Oliver Goldsmith. Become an observer upon life and see what happens. His Lordship has a rare quality of patience hearing, and further I must add, हीरे की परख सिर्फ जवाहरी जानते हैं.
Honorable Chief Justice Sri Arun Bansali ji, Honorable Justice Narendra Kumar Jowhari ji, and other honorable judges of the Sagar Sri R.D. Sai, President of the Bar Association, Sri Surban Pandey, Senior Advocate, Deputy Solicitor General of India, learned Senior Advocates, learned members of the Bar, members of the Registry, and other staff members. My lords, we have assembled here today on the occasion to give farewell to Honorable Mr. Justice Narendra Kumar Jowhari, who is retired. His Lordship was born on 20th Jan 1962 in Varanasi. After completing his primary education from St. Mary Convent School, Varanasi, his Lordship took admission in Harishchandra Postgraduate College, Varanasi, and completed his graduation and LLB in the year 1985. His Lordship started his practice since 1985 in Civil Court, Varanasi, and practiced up to 2005. When his Lordship practiced mainly in civil side as a first generation lawyer. Thereafter, his Lordship was appointed in Judicial Service in June 2005 and had worked in different places and in different capacities as Additional District and Session Judge, District Judge, Mou, Shahjahanpur, Bulandshahr, Additional LR, Government of UP, District Judge Lucknow, Badai, Ghaziabad, Chairman, Commercial Tribunal. And thereafter, his Lordship was elevated as Judge of this Honorable Court on 22nd November 2018. His Lordship's father, late Shivnath Jowhari, was a businessman. Mother, Miss Lalita Devi, is a housewife. Wife of Honorable Justice Jowhari, Mrs. Pratima Srivastava, is serving as a district judge in district. His Lordship's son, Arvind Jowhari, senior manager in a multinational company and presently working in UAE. Daughter Archita Jowhari, product designer and presently working in a US-based company in Bengaluru. His Lordship is very much popular among the lawyers and bar for his behavior and working style. With these few words, I wish to express best wishes on my own behalf, as well as on behalf of Honorable Advocate General and state law officers for successful journey and pleasant life.
मुख्य न्यायाधीश माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री अरुण बंसाली जी, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री नरेंद्र कुमार जौहरी जी, न्याय वेदिका पर विराजित अन्य माननीय न्यायमूर्ति और बार एसोसिएशन के अध्यक्ष श्री विनोद शाही जी, उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार के अपर महाधिवक्ता श्री कुलदीप त्रिपाठी एवं सम्मानित वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता और बार के विद्वान सदस्य, निबंधन के अधिकारी एवं अन्य सदस्य तथा न्यायपीठ में उपस्थित समस्त माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री नरेंद्र कुमार जौहरी जी के परिवार के सदस्य। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री नरेंद्र कुमार जौहरी जी के परिचयात्मक जीवन शैक्षणिक उपलब्धियों तथा विधि एवं न्याय जगत को उनके द्वारा प्रदत्त सेवाओं के विषय में माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधीश जी और बात के अध्यक्ष और अपर महाधिवक्ता ने विस्तार से चर्चा की है, जिसकी मैं पुनरावृत्ति नहीं करूंगा। मैं इतना अवश्य कहना चाहूँगा कि लगभग 2 वर्ष की अवधि अधिवक्ता के रूप में और लगभग 2 वर्ष की अवधि न्यायपालिका के सदस्य के रूप में, जिसमें लगभग 6 वर्ष इस न्यायालय के न्यायमूर्ति के रूप में आपका कार्यकाल अत्यंत सराहनीय, प्रशंसनीय और संतोषजनक रहा है। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति जौहरी जी, आपके समक्ष उपस्थित होकर पत्र प्रस्तुत करने का मुझे सीमित अवसर प्राप्त हुआ, किंतु आपके अनेक निर्णयों का अवलोकन करने का मुझे अवसर अवश्य प्राप्त हुआ। आपका भाषा पर अधिकार, विविध शब्दावली का चयन, वाक्य विज्ञान, विचारों में निरंतरता, न्याय पर भाव समर्था उल्लेखनीय है। आपने निष्पक्ष और पारदर्शी ढंग से न्याय निर्णय किया, जो प्रशंसनीय है। माननीय न्यायालय के समक्ष लोग अपरिहार्य परिस्थितियों में आते हैं, दुख, विषाद और पीड़ा से संतृप्त जन को आपने राहत प्रदान की, उनके आंसू पोंछने का आपको अवसर मिला, आप भाग्यशाली हैं। न्याय पाए हुए व्यक्ति की आंखों की चमक और खुशी से आपको अवश्य संतोष मिला होगा। सेवा में नियुक्त के समय ही निवर्तमान होने की सुनिश्चित होती है। अपने दीर्घ काल तक न्यायपालिका की सेवा की, इसके लिए हम आभारी हैं। अंत में नीरज जी की कुछ पंक्तियों के साथ मैं स्वयं अपनी तथा भारत सरकार के समस्त अधिवक्ताओं की ओर से आपके आगामी उज्जवल भविष्य की मंगल कामना करता हूँ। बात मेरे जो यहाँ और हैं गाने वाले, स्वर की थपकी से पहाड़ों को सुलाने वाले, उजाड़ बागों की आवाम सुनसानों में संत की गंध से फूलों को खिलाने वाले, उनके पाँव के पकोड़े के टूट पड़े, उनकी राहों के जरा हटा दो।
My Lord, Honorable Justice Chief Justice, Honorable Justice Pierre Muthude, Senior Chief of Bench, Honorable Justice Rajan Rai, Honorable Mrs. Honorable Justice Chaudhary, Honorable Justice Rajesh Chauhan, Justice Shadi, Justice Rajesh Kumar, Justice Abdul Moin, Justice Al Makar, Justice Adya, Justice Saurabh Ramania, Justice Justice Rajesh Singh, Justice Mohammed Fairal, and Justice Manish Kumar, Justice Ajay Kumar Sharma, Justice Subhash Vidyarthi, Justice Vijay Singh, Justice Vijay Singh, Justice Manish Kumar. Respected Sri Adi Jain, the President of our Bar Association of Law, and the Honorable Members of our Bar Association of Law, respected Sri Murthy Party, Petition Sri, Advocate General, respected Sri S.V.C. Secretary for Justice and Government of India, esteemed senior lawyers, standing counsel, panel lawyers, young members of bar, Secretary, Registrar General Mr. Rajiv Bharti, Senior Registrar General Mr. Vivek Agrawal, officers and other members of the registry, members of the staff, my personal staff, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to express my sincere and honest gratitude and thanks from the core of my heart to all of you assembled here to bid my farewell. I am very much overwhelmed and delighted by the words of kindness spoken in my honor and love and affection shown upon me. It's more than I deserve. It's a bitter truth that one who enters service has to retire one day. In fact, as the days of parting drew closer, being human, my restlessness kept increasing. Now I am feeling that if one gets retired in such a way, in the presence of august gathering of eminent personalities and a flock of good words spoken in remembrance and praise, it not only lessens the pain, rather makes the retirement easy and memorable moments of the life. I was born in Varanasi, commonly known as City of Lord Shiva. I completed my graduation in law in 1995, and in the same year I entered into my Karma Chakra, that is in district administration for Varanasi. Although till completion of my degree in science I was dreaming to become a benevolent doctor, but destiny was fixed. I got registered as an advocate in the Bar Council in January 1996. Thereafter I became busy in legal profession. In the year 2000, I appeared in UPHS examination and got success in my first attempt. Due to a litigation, I selected this program by the Judicial Services in the year 2000. I was sincerely devoted in my practice till 7/6/2005. And after notification by the state government as well as by the High Court, I joined the prison services on 10/6/2005 as administrative assistant. Thereafter, I was transferred to the Shamanpur and Expenses Area National Legal Level Professor, Government of Lucknow, thereafter as Additional Provincial. I was appointed as District and Session Judge at Udaipur. Thereafter, served Ghaziabad District as a Chief Judge. From Ghaziabad, I was transferred on the post of Chairman, Common District in Lucknow. Thereafter, I performed my duties as District Judge Lucknow under the efficient control of and guidance of Honorable Mr. Justice Rajan Rai, as he was expected Administrative Judge of Lucknow District. I would like to express my deep regards to his Lordship, who here in High Court also showed his blessings and guided me to have 47 reported and 24,033 reported unreported incidents in my country. To provide justice and punish wrongdoer is the act of God. By the blessings of my ancestors, I was fortunate enough that the Almighty has selected me to serve the mankind and provide me the place to sit in the temple of justice. I always kept in mind the verdicts of Martin Luther King Jr. that justice right anywhere, ambitious justice everywhere. After admission in 2018, I got privilege and opportunity to sitting at both the benches of this esteemed High Court at Allahabad and Lucknow, which nurtured and had in its folds great proprieties and legal luminaries, made my heart swell with pride, which also provided me the much needed impetus and motivation to justify the said appointment, which I acknowledge was much because of cooperation, guidance, mentorship, which was made readily available to me by great companions. I am thankful to my Lord, the Chief Justice, for providing me the opportunity to sit in important jurisdictions and also for the meaningful court reference. I always felt his love, affection and care, for which I express my honest gratitude. I also feel thankful to my brothers and sisters judges who always guided me whenever I needed their help. I acknowledge that they have enlightened me thoroughly about the fundamentals of branches of law that were not in my practice, and by discharging my duties as judge in district court. With their kind cooperation, I became able to discharge my duties to the best of my ability. I am thankful to all the members of bar present over here, without whose cooperation it would not be possible for me to discharge my duties successfully and effectively. I am thankful to the officers and members of the registry and staff, especially my main secretary Sri Shyam Shukla and Sri Mahendra Kumar, my private secretary Sri Amit Chatterpal, Sri Munalal, Sri Devi Nandanojia, and my PSO Mr. Manoj Rajesh and Prashant, my Zamadar and office helper Bhuvan, Om Prakash, Binder and Chotalal. The staff with me readily accepted the challenges and worked hard as a single unit. I would not be fair if I do not say a few words to my wife, who took pain and inspired me to join judicial service. My life partner, along with performing her duties as she and SSL now, stood up with me like a best friend, companion and guide. Whenever I stuck in my difficult situation, she came forward, suggesting me the words of vision. I also thankful to my son Arpit Johari, who is a senior manager in a renowned multinational construction company and is working in UAE, and my daughter Archita Johari, who is an UX UI designer in US-based company and is working at Bangalore. My children always respectfully consider my hard duties performed by me as loyal and as teacher. And in last but not the least, I am thankful to my parents who are now in heaven. We are they who by their blessings made me to realize and believe who am I. I tried my level best not to hurt and disrespect anyone. However, if anyone feels hurt by my any act, done or word spoken, I sincerely express my apology for the same. We all know that none is perfect and I am not an exception. In this context, I would like to express a quote of line of lyrics Shailen written in film Sangam. ये धरती है इंसानों की, कुछ और नहीं इंसान है. Although I will miss you all, but surely I am carrying a beautiful and sweet memories which will remain with me throughout my life. Thanks to all by heart. Jai Hind.